Hi, this is Joanne Marie Rumford, and I'm doing this video in my apartment in Port Huron, Michigan. And today is Sunday, January 18th, 2026. And I'm sitting here with Julius, my yellow Yorkshire Canary, and I'm waiting for him to take a bird bath in his, a bath in his bird bath. But he's not he's gone up to the bird bath, but he is not gone in it yet. So I don't know if he's going to, so I'm going to do this video anyways, and I'll show you Julius now. There he is. There's his bird, the green bird bath. Get a close up. He's eating his Vitacraft egg and honey stick right now. And he's not going anywhere near his bird bath. Well, he went up to it, but he hasn't gone in it. I was hoping that he would so I could get him on video. I haven't got him on video. I got pictures of him in the bird bath, but not on video. Julius, go swimming in your swimming pool. Get closer, show you the bird bath there. It's a bird bath. He likes to swing on his swing, and he watches himself in the mirror there when he's swinging. And he sings too, so. Right now it is 10 after 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Well, Julius is eating his egg and honey stick, nibbling on it. I'll show you my Christmas cards. And I got a Christmas card yesterday on Saturday, January 17th, 2026. And there it is there, Joy to the World. It's from my cousin, at the top there. It's from my cousin, Don and his wife, Deborah Rumford. And the funny thing about it is there was two postmarks on the envelope. One was postmarked, the first one was McAllen, capital M-C, capital A-L-L-E-N, Texas, postmarked December 16, 2025. And the second postmark on the card was Cincinnati, Ohio, December 22nd, 2025. So Texas was December 16, 2025, and Cincinnati, Ohio was December 22nd, 2025, and there was a barcode at the bottom of the envelope, and it looked like somebody marked it off with a Sharpie, black black Sharpie. So I don't know what's going on with the envelope, but I showed the envelope, but it's got the addresses on it, my cousin's address, and I don't want to show their address in the video from the envelope, I should say. I was just sitting there on my couch with my throw blanket over me. And there's the time right there, going on 6:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And my Christmas tree I still have decorated because some of my family have not come to visit me for Christmas yet. The landlord maintenance said in December that the carpeting, not my throw rug, the carpeting is supposed to be cleaned in January, but we have so much snow that they probably won't do it this month. So I think that's why my family hasn't come to visit me, because they know that the carpet is going to be cleaned in January. So my sister said she'd be coming over in February. My youngest niece, Victoria, and her family, her husband and the children, I don't know when they're coming. My brother Doug and his partner Howard, I don't know when they're coming. So, and my sister's husband won't be coming in February with my sister. It'll just be my sister. So, hopefully we could get everybody here to celebrate Christmas, because my oldest niece Tara and her husband and their children came already in December before Christmas. So we went out to Freighter's tap room, restaurant and tap room, Freighter's in Port Huron on the St. Clair River by the Blue Water Bridge for dinner. They took me out. Okay, so I guess Julius is not going to go swimming, but maybe he did, and I didn't notice it, because there's some feathers in his bird bath. There's a feather in his bird bath there, and some seeds. So maybe he did jump in. Did you jump into your bird bath, Julius? My youngest niece, Victoria, Tori for short, she named Julius, and the bird is from my niece, oldest niece, Tara. They came over in before Christmas, December 2024, with Julius to give me. And the bird cage is from my oldest niece, Tara, and her family for Christmas. I think it was 2018. So I never had a bird in it until 2024 for the cage.